Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure your AirPods are charged and next to the Apple TV, proximity speeds pairing. On Apple TV Open Settings, then Remotes and Devices, then Bluetooth, this puts the box into discovery mode. If you use the same Apple ID on your iPhone and Apple TV, pairing can be smoother because iCloud shares device keys, so check Apple TV is signed in. Once you see Bluetooth ready, move on to putting the AirPods into pairing state so the TV can detect them. Next, put the AirPods into pairing mode. Open the case and press the setup button until the light flashes white. This signals discoverability. On the Apple TV, select your AirPods from the Bluetooth list and choose Connect. Wait a few seconds for the secure exchange. After pairing, make sure the Apple TV sends sound to the AirPods by checking settings video and audio output and selecting your AirPods if not auto-selected. Once connected, test with short playback and adjust volume from the Apple TV remote. Finish by verifying seamless control. Open the Apple TV Control Center to switch audio outputs on the fly and to check battery status. If audio fails, unpair the AirPods in Bluetooth settings, restart the Apple TV and reset the AirPods by holding the setup button until amber then white, then pair again. Make sure TV OS and AirPods firmware are up to date to prevent odd dropouts. Updates resolve many issues. If latency or stutter persists, toggle Bluetooth off and on to clear wireless congestion.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.